It's like a fire burning in your mouth and in your throat and in your stomach. Oh, I feel like I'm burning. Wow. That is strong.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. Right now we are here in Chongqing, China, and we're gonna be trying breakfast first. Then we're gonna be going about 100 miles outside of the city center of Chongqing, going to a Baijiu factory. Gonna try the Baijiu there and explore how they make Baijiu. First, we're gonna try this breakfast. Hey, 你好，我要一份那个包子。你有2个味道。Okay, 我要2个味道。来2个。对。Okay, so we got the 4 baozi. Just got the doujiang. Let's give this a try here. Ah, no sugar at all. This is really good, creamy doujiang. But yeah, we're gonna try this baozi without any vinegar, without any additives. So that's pork with some chives inside here. Really, really good. We're about to get a car going to the Baijiu factory. Hi, ni hao. Great to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Joey. Have you ever been to another Baijiu factory?
No, this is my first time.
Let's go find it.
Let's go. To get to the Baijiu factory, we're gonna have to go over 20 of the 14,000 bridges that Chongqing has in its municipality. China has been making Baijiu for over 6,000 years. JiangXiaoBai is actually changing the game for Baijiu makers, trying to make it more marketable to the younger generation. So we arrived here at the Baijiu factory. And so this is the main building here where they make the Baijiu mash? Or?
Yeah, one of them.
So this is the way that they can get the ferment started? Yeah, so it's the special bacteria yeast. In a normal factory, some of these could be like 50 years old, but of course this is only a 10, 12-year-old factory. But these pits here, this is where traditionally you'd ferment the Baijiu. How long is it they're staying in here?
Maybe 1 month.
Yeah, they put it inside here. Oh wow. So basically they're fermenting this for 1 month in this way, and then they're gonna take out all of the alcohol, distill it.
Yeah, to distillery.
And basically the pits are cleaned, but not cleaned too well, right? Completely clean.
That's our secret. So we must
clean the pits. But you know, some Baijiu places, they sometimes like to keep just a little bit of the last batch, so they don't really clean it too well, but then they maybe mix it up like when they get it out. And so basically one of these can go into 1 pit.
Hey, 1 pit.
Wow, that's a lot. And this is the sorghum. All that is just sorghum.
Yeah, just the sorghum.
You have to be careful though. It's like if you fall into there, it would be very bad. Inside this factory, you have this thick steam. It's pretty cool. Should we try a little bit of the raw form?
You can.
I can try it?
Yeah.
So like this. So this is sorghum. Here we go. Oh wow.
How's that?
It's like fruity. It's got a sour flavor. It's like a cranberry, but a little bit more dry. It's really good. I like it. I like it just like this. Joey is letting me try the Baijiu when it's fresh out of here. It's gonna be like 65% alcohol.
Yes, 17.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
It's gonna be super strong. Just a little bit. 一点点可以.
Okay.
It's a very small amount. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. That's okay. Just like half that. 一般的这个. Whoa, that's good. 好了. I don't want to be too sui. Today's word of the day in Chinese is zu sui, which means hangover. We don't want that today.
Yes.
This is going to be strong. So this is like taking like, you know, 70%. This is pure rocket fuel for Baijiu. Very, very strong. So let's see what this is like.
It's fresh.
Oh wow, that's really good. That actually tastes very smooth. Yeah, I'm gonna try a bit more. You can taste that sorghum though. Very fruity. Way more fragrant, fruity. You know, it's got that really good flavor. It almost has got like an apricot flavor. The other brands up in the north part of China, they got more of the rice wine Baijiu, which is very strong, very dominant on the flavor. But this has got a nice fruity aftertaste. Have you tried this before? Like,
I tried. Yeah.
What do you think of the final product versus this?
In Chinese, it's lian, spicy.
More spicy for sure. Yeah. But yeah, this is a very good quality one. I can tell, like, this is gonna make some good Baijiu. Yeah, this is the factory. They're really working hard here. They don't need to join the gym when they're here. They can just kind of work here They get their muscles up. It's very...
They get health
Yeah.
and make money.
It's good. It's really good for everybody. So here we got the exit. We're gonna go into the cellar now.
Yes.
Wow. Look at this. Some of these are in here for 5 years so far. Some are in here for 10 years.
15 years. We have many, we call the laojius here. They are treasures for our company.
So yeah, we got a lot of these vats. I mean, this is millions upon millions of dollars worth of baijiu that we're looking at right here.
Okay.
So this is the real way to drink baijiu.
This maybe 10 years old.
Oh my gosh. It smells really good. Okay, I'm gonna try this.
I'm gonna try it.
Here we go.
How's that?
Actually, my favorite one is probably straight from the machine.
The machine.
Yeah, I also think that this is really good too. Baijiu just gives you this like warm feeling, like makes you feel just awake, you know, and very good, yeah. Really, really good though. I like it. This is the bottle washing station. These bottles are fresh though, they're not recycled. Are they recycled?
Yeah, recycled.
Oh, that's great. So they send them back.
Yes.
You
Some
guys-
of them is recycled, but not all of them.
Okay, so this is the product display center right here. JiangXiaoBai distillery. That's
江记酒庄.
we got men working hard like we saw earlier. They're also very strong.
Yes, Asian times.
Yeah, ancient times baijiu. And this is the normal baijiu, and then all these other baijius. What's the most expensive baijiu here?
VIP.
This is the more budget friendly, you know, for younger, 20-year-old students. Okay, so this is the most expensive bottle we're gonna be trying. It is around 1,000 RMB for this bottle. So $150 US, give or take. Here we go. Eat our Sengan Bay. Okay, cheers guys. Wow, I like that even more than the other one. You know, this tastes better, my opinion, but
Yeah.
actually, yeah, it just tastes more fruity. It tastes like the fresh baijiu we just had. This is moving down 800 kwai, which is still very, very pricey, 115 US.
Yes.
High-end bottle of this. Thanks for letting me try. Oh wow, I like this one too, but I think I like the 1,000 kwai one better. Peppery, like got a nice pepper flavor, spicy in the back of your throat, like almost like gingery. That's nice. Okay, so right now we are at the farm. We're gonna check out some of the crops that they got here. So people will chill out in the teepee to hang out, maybe drink some drinks
Yes.
or something like
They
that.
can drink here and take overnight here.
There's a whole bunch of tents right here. People can sleep in these if they want. It costs money. How much does it cost to sleep in the tents like this?
200 one night.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Include the suppers.
Oh, wow.
The meals. Maybe I don't know exactly.
Wow. So you could have your family come out here
Yes.
and have like 200 for one night, have some food and sleep in the tent. I mean, I'm trying to figure out what this is. Like, I don't know what this is. You can eat it. It's oily, yeah. So this is the crop they've got right now, but they're gonna make sorghum very soon all around here. It's so nice to be back in China though, for real. We are here at the JiangXiaoBai restaurant and we're gonna check it out and see what kind of food they got in there. And yeah, they mix the baijiu with some of the other foods. So I'm excited to try baijiu infused foods here. JiangXiaoBai Club. And then they got a robot, JiangXiaoBai robot right here, delivering a lot of different food to tables. It's pretty amazing to look at stuff like this. We don't have robots driving around restaurants in the US quite yet. But yeah, here in Chongqing, they got their, delivery robots bringing out the fresh food. It's pretty futuristic. Do they actually help, you think?
Yes, just like this.
The robot's just a little bit lost, but
a little bit convenience for our waiters.
yeah. This is a dish called Zhu Gong Sui, and basically it's got some very spicy chili peppers with the nose of the pig here. So it's very wiggly, Some people would say it's a little bit weird, but honestly, this is just normal to me living in Asia. Basically, it's very fatty. It's similar to bacon. So if you love bacon, you're gonna love this Jiugong Sui. You've never even tried a sip of Baijiu before?
No.
And so you're not scared?
I'm very curious what it will taste.
It's going to be very spicy.
I think, yeah.
Spicy on your throat. And yeah, it's a very strong taste for sure. But JiangXiaoBai, it's not so strong tasting. You think you can drink the whole thing, or are you just going to drink half?
I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a shot.
Going to give it a shot, okay. Joey says that it's like maybe not the best if you drink the whole thing.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah.
Maybe.
But maybe try just to drink half of it.
No, the whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing.
Yeah, puts hair on your chest.
Okay,
First time.
first time. Pizza.
Oh,
I'm shaking.
come on.
It's like a fire burning in your mouth and in your throat and in your stomach. Oh, I feel like I'm burning. Wow, that is strong.
Beautiful. Just mix the 2 types of look at that. Look at that beautiful bottle. Isn't that amazing? Let's give this a test here. You can see the old JiangXiaoBai lettering right on the front of the glass here. Cooled down with a really, really nice ice cube. Let's give it a bit of a swirl here. Beautiful smell. All right, I'm gonna test it out. Very smooth and very good. This is the kind of drink that you can consume quite easy. It's almost like a, I don't know if they call them coolers in the United States, but where you get like a Bacardi cooler or something like that. But this is more of a very sweet, very easy to taste. And of course, I can see this being quite attractive with women because it's got that ease of consumption to it. Wait, you gotta, can't just drink it like very great. The way you gotta drink it,
Sweet, a little bit sour, not spicy or burning in the mouth.
You're gonna drink it.
Very good.
Because the plum wine a little bit sweet, so the cheese flavor can make it smoother and soft.
This is the orange wine, so it's not plum wine. I'm gonna give this a try. Very citrusy, a little bit sweet, somewhat sour, really, really fresh tasting. Let's try a little bit of Baijiu, youtiao. Baijiu cooked in with a shrimp, right?
Just a little bit of Baijiu.
Nice. Oh wow.
You can say bite a little bit, and then you can say what's inside.
Yeah, that would be smart. Yeah. Okay, show them that. Yeah. Okay, so on the outside it's danhuanjiang, which is mayonnaise, and then the inside has got the shrimp, and the shrimp has been cooked in with some baijiu. You've got a feast oxtail soup with tomato. There's peanuts. There is some flour with eggs, like actual like flowers, springtime flowers, and then we got some fried chicken. We got some onions and beef rib. Got some fried up fish, and then we've also got lotus root. Looking forward to my next time here in Chongqing, enjoying the baijiu with you again for sure.
Yes.
So yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Shout out to iChongqing and Reportify Media and Travel for setting up this awesome baijiu tour. See you guys in the next video.